Hey guys, today we are making a fun pasta salad. You see these like little cherubs? They're so cute. And I love how they have them packaged. So we're just gonna take some pasta. This is one box of just rainbow rotini, and then I've got these cherry or grape tomatoes in here. Then we're gonna be adding some chopped up cucumbers. I'm using these mini cucumbers that I found at the store. I think they're also called like Persian cucumbers or pickling cucumbers. You're gonna go ahead and put that all over the top. I know like a lot of these TikTok viral recipes tend to have like pasta and tomatoes and it goes in the oven, but no, this is actually just a pasta salad. So once we've got that, we're going to be adding cheese, everybody's favorite. I love these like little baby mozzarella balls that comes in its own kind of brain looking happy Halloween ball. But I'm gonna go ahead and break these up. And make sure that everybody gets a little bit of mozzarella. Then we're going to be adding a little bit more cheese, but let me wash my hands because they're all wet. So the next cheese we're going to be adding is some shredded Parmesan, some shredded Parmesan, however you want to pronounce it. And because this is a salad, you can kind of like add as much as you want. Oops, sorry about that. Then we're going to be adding some drained garbanzo beans or chickpeas. It's starting to kind of look like an Italian chopped salad, but it's actually a pasta salad. But the flavor will be about the same. Okay, so now that we have all this together, we're gonna add our flavorings. So we're gonna start with some onion powder. I like onion powder for something like this because it's better than using chopped up onions. It doesn't give you as much onion breath, but has that little hint of onion flavor. And then we're just going to be adding some salt and pepper. I can't wait to dig in. This is such a good salad. One of my favorites. I'm just going to add a bunch of pepper. You can add more if you want. You can add more once you serve it. And then some sea salt. Mozzarella cheese is not very salty, so having a little bit of salt here is helpful. Then for our last seasoning ingredient, we're using a whole bottle of this. This is 16 ounces. Last time I was at Walmart, they came in like 3 different sizes. This is like the medium size of Olive Garden's Italian dressing. I'm just going to pour this all over. Probably just going to use half the bottle, and then you can serve the other half like at the table. That seems about right. Okay, go ahead and give this a quick toss. This is going to taste so good the next day. Like let it sit so that all the flavors can get into the pasta, but I am going to give this a taste test right away. Ooh, gosh, I've got some runaway veggies today. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a little taste test. Get some cheese and some cucumbers, some pasta. And let's go ahead and give this a little test. Cheese and if you like that, what is it? Endless soup and salad at Olive Garden. That's exactly what this dressing is. It's so good. And our tomato's amazing. This is seriously, y'all. This is such a quick and easy pasta salad with garbanzo beans and cheese. There's plenty of protein, so it's kind of like a meal in a salad. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you make it for your next picnic or just kind of meal prep, however you want to use the salad, I promise you, it's very, very good.